Did you know that a single asteroid may have shaped all life on Earth as we know it? Get ready for an incredible journey where destruction turns into creation. Often, asteroids are seen as threats looming over our skies, ready to cause catastrophes. However, history shows us that these cosmic giants have also played crucial roles in the evolution of our planet. When we think of asteroids, it's impossible not to recall the event that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. That devastating collision not only wiped out an entire era of life, but also paved the way for the emergence of new species, including mammals, which eventually evolved into us. This cycle of destruction and renewal is a fundamental part of Earth's history, a cosmic dance that shaped who we are today. In this video, we will explore how asteroids have influenced life on Earth, highlighting the duality of destruction and creation that they bring with them. What we learn could change the way we view space and our own planet, revealing a surprising connection between asteroids and life on Earth. The impact of asteroids on Earth. Imagine a scenario where a colossal explosion occurs on our planet, changing the course of life forever. This is the reality of how asteroids impacted Earth and shaped the biodiversity we know today. Since the dawn of Earth, asteroids have been key players in our evolutionary story. The most famous impact, which resulted in the extinction of the dinosaurs, is just one part of the narrative. However, this cataclysmic event also opened opportunities for the emergence of new life forms. Before this, Earth had already witnessed other impacts that played fundamental roles in its evolution. Asteroids are often responsible for mass extinction events, but they are also sources of nutrients and water. Studies suggest that most of Earth's water may have originated from asteroid and comet impacts. These celestial bodies, upon colliding with the planet, could have released water molecules, creating the oceans that sustain life. The presence of organic materials in some asteroids suggests they may have contributed to the origin of life. The Murchison meteorite, for example, fell in Australia in 1969 and contained amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. This raises a fascinating question. Did life on Earth begin with seeds from space? As we navigate through this cosmic story, it is important to understand that Earth is not an isolated entity, but part of an interconnected ecosystem that extends through space. Asteroid impacts may have shaped not only Earth's biodiversity, but also the very environment we live in. Each collision brings with it a new chance for evolution, a new beginning. The duality of destruction and creation that asteroids represent is a powerful reminder that life is a constant cycle of change and adaptation. Asteroids and the evolution of species. How can the cosmic dance of asteroids be the key to understanding the evolution of species on Earth? Get ready to discover how catastrophes can generate new opportunities for life. The relationship between asteroids and the evolution of species is a fascinating theme that makes us rethink our understanding of what it means to survive and thrive in a constantly changing environment. Mass extinctions, often triggered by asteroid impacts, not only eliminated dominant species but also opened space for the evolution of new life forms. After the impact that wiped out the dinosaurs about 66 million years ago, the world underwent a radical transformation. Mammals, previously relegated to small ecological niches, began to diversify and expand, resulting in the rise of primates and eventually the evolution of humans. This transition is a clear example of how destruction can create new opportunities for evolution and adaptation. Fossil studies indicate that mass extinctions are catalysts for rapid changes in biodiversity. Every time an asteroid collides with Earth, natural selection comes into play, allowing surviving organisms to adapt to new conditions. For example, the tropical rainforests of South America, which thrived after the extinction of the dinosaurs, are a testament to how new ecosystems can emerge after catastrophes. Asteroids also bring with them not only destruction, but essential chemical elements that can influence evolution. The presence of organic materials and nutrients arriving on Earth through asteroids can accelerate evolutionary processes, providing the necessary ingredients for the development of new species. Evolution, therefore, is not just a matter of adapting to an environment, but also seizing opportunities created by cosmic events. Asteroids and the development of civilization. Have you ever stopped to think that human civilization may have been shaped by cosmic forces beyond our understanding? Get ready to explore how asteroids influence not only biology, but also the history of humanity. The interaction between asteroids and human civilization may seem distant, but cosmic impacts have played a crucial role in shaping culture and technology throughout history. Since ancient times, asteroids have inspired myths and legends, while their practical effects have shaped the world around us. One fascinating example is the Tunguska asteroid impact, which in 1908 devastated a vast area of Siberia, knocking down over 80 million trees. Although it caused few human casualties due to its remote location, the event drew the world's attention to the possibility of cosmic disasters. It spurred research in astronomy and geology, leading to a deeper understanding of our relationship with space. This event became a catalyst for modern science, sparking interest in how we can protect ourselves from future impacts. Asteroids have a significant impact on emerging technologies. The space race and asteroid exploration have the potential to transform our economy and resource extraction methods. With the discovery of asteroids rich in precious metals, such as platinum and gold, the future of mining may very well extend beyond Earth. This not only represents a new economic frontier, but could also provide resources for colonizing other planets. The influence of asteroids on culture is equally impressive. From literature to cinema, the idea of an asteroid impact triggering a catastrophe has been a powerful narrative. Films like Armageddon and Deep Impact reflect human fears and fascinations with our vulnerability to cosmic forces. These cultural representations, although fictional, help shape our perception of space and our place in it. Therefore, asteroids are not just floating rocks in space. They are part of a cosmic narrative that has shaped life, science, and human culture. The future of asteroid exploration. A future where asteroids are no longer seen as threats, but as opportunities. What if we could mine these cosmic giants and explore new worlds? The answer may be closer than we think. In recent years, asteroid exploration has become a priority for space agencies and private companies. NASA, the ESA, European Space Agency, and other organizations are heavily investing in missions to study and potentially explore these celestial bodies. The goal is not only to understand the history of our solar system, but also to discover how asteroids can benefit humanity. One of the most ambitious missions is OSIRIS-REx, which was launched in 2016 and reached the asteroid Bennu in 2018. This mission aimed to collect samples from the asteroid and bring them back to Earth. Scientists hope these samples will provide valuable information about the formation of the solar system and the origin of life. In 2023, NASA confirmed that the collected samples were successful, ushering in a new era of research on asteroids. Asteroid exploration is seen as a fundamental step toward the colonization of other planets. The idea of establishing bases on asteroids may sound like science fiction, but it is a real possibility. With advances in space mining technology, extracting resources such as water and precious metals from asteroids may become feasible. This would not only help sustain missions to Mars and beyond, but could also provide essential resources for life beyond Earth. Companies like Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries are at the forefront of this revolution. They aim to develop technologies to mine asteroids and bring these resources back to Earth or use them in space missions. If successful, these initiatives could transform the global economy and open new frontiers for human exploration. Research on asteroids can have significant implications for Earth's protection. Understanding the orbits and compositions of asteroids can help develop strategies to deflect those that pose a threat to our planet. This protection becomes even more crucial as the global population grows and the need for resources increases. Asteroid exploration is not just a matter of scientific curiosity. It is an opportunity to secure a prosperous future for humanity. Now, let's conclude our journey by reflecting on all we've learned and how it can shape our understanding of the universe and ourselves. Sometimes the greatest lessons come from the smallest things, like a lost asteroid in the vast cosmos. The story of Earth is, in fact, a cosmic dance between destruction and creation, and the influence of asteroids shows us that every end can be a new beginning. As we look to the sky, we should remember that we are connected to these space rocks in a deeper way than we imagine. Each of them carries clues about the origin of our planet and the life we know. And as we advance in exploration and mining missions, human curiosity drives us to seek new horizons and ensure the survival of our species. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your journey into space is just beginning, and together we can uncover the secrets that the universe has to offer.